subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sir Abdul Sattar Khan 10th English. The world is mine. Appreciation of the poem. Let's begin. What is the theme of the poem? थीम ऑफ द पोएम हम अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम में देखेंगे. डू यू थिंक पीपल विथ सम हैंडीकैप शुड बेग फॉर मनी? जस्टिफाई योर रिस्पॉन्स. यानी जो लोग हैंडीकैप होते हैं उन्होंने भीख मांगना चाहिए. People with some handicap should not beg for money because God gifts them something extraordinary with which they can earn their bread and butter. Working even in hard conditions is better than begging. The handicapped can utilize some of their gifted qualities for living normal life, not very different from the rest. What is better? To completely take over the work and responsibility of a disabled person in order to help or encourage such a person to do it himself, herself in a different way. Justify your choice. इसका आंसर है it is better that we should encourage a disabled person to do something in his or her life besides his or her handicap. God blesses him her with extraordinary power with which he she can work and earn money and respect in their lives. To completely take over the responsibility of a disabled person in order to help will make him her dependent all his her life, and he she will live helpless and disgraceful life throughout. Appreciation of the poem. Title of the poem. The title of the poem is The World is Mine. The poem is written by Joy Lovelet Crawford. Theme. Central idea of the poem. The central idea of the poem is that you must count your blessings, to be grateful for the good things in your life rather than complain about the things which you think you lack. When you are thankful to God for all the good things you are endowed with, then the world and its joys are yours. Then you cherish the things which you often take for granted and find no reason for complaining. Rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme of the first and last stanza is the same. A A B C C. Second stanza A B B C C D D. Third stanza A A B B C C. Fourth stanza A A B C C. Figures of speech: apostrophe and inversion.